So it's a YouTube thing, unboxing, and there's sort of like got something from the courier just now, and so like I want to kind of understand how YouTube works and well. So unboxing, it's sent to me, correct address, Tuesday. From Matt Bell, from Mauser, Elsenheimer Strasse 11. Matt Bell, Munich. Hey, okay. 80687. Oh, electronics. Hey! So, what do we find? A bag. Way too much packaging, way too much documentation. Jug fit for transistors. Says amplificatore. Don't know quite what that is. They might be multiplier chips, I'm not sure. Precision resistors. I've got 10k precision resistors, so I've just got some kind of a level ground, things to measure against. The fuck else? Ooh, not sure what these are. Lots of these. Oh right, 2 and 7,000. There's sort of like little MOSFET gatey transistors. Last one. No idea. Oh, power diodes. I realised the other day that I just didn't have any power diodes, so... Whew. So my unboxing.